Hello dear friends, this is the Phone Support channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to lock your Facebook profile. That is, you will be able to restrict access to your Facebook profile to unauthorized people. How do I do that? It's very simple. You do this by logging into Facebook. After that, you open your profile, and you click on the settings option, and then you click on search. And in this line, you type in profile. In this list, you will see the item profile locking. Click on this item. Before closing the profile, carefully read this information, and then click on the button, lock your profile. Then we wait a couple of seconds, and we wait a couple seconds. Then we click OK. Now our account is closed and we can check it. Now people will leave requests to access our account. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. See you later. Bye bye.